Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. I just wanted to show you real quick what happens to tomato plants in soil. This is actually the beefsteak tomato. This is soil that is not nutrient rich yet. I'm trying to slowly amend it. I don't want to spend a ton of money on like organic stuff and stuff from Home Depot. I just want, or soil amendments. I just want to do this naturally because I don't want to spend a fortune. But you see these beefsteak tomatoes are hanging on, but mostly this soil is sand. So it's Florida sugar sand, and then I put some mulch in there. So after a while that mulch will be breaking down, especially during the wet season. And I anticipate going forward throughout the years when I can put more mulch on, that this soil will get richer in nutrients. But if you look over here, the cherry tomatoes, they went through the winter and now they're just booming, just growing like weeds again. They didn't die, so you could technically call this a perennial tomato plant with these cherry tomatoes. This is not the Everglades tomato either. This is something else that I got from American Seed. I have to look up the seed packets, figure out what it is, but it's just normal cherry tomato. But yeah, there you go right there. Right now it's April 22nd, 2022. It's quite cool out. So hopefully going forward, as it gets warmer and warmer, that will actually initiate stronger growth from these beefsteak tomatoes, because they seem to do really well when I tried to grow them last year in August, the hottest month of the year. Anyhow, folks, don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we got a lot more updates coming. Have a good day.